And so now we're going to make gingerbread cookies. They're Swedish ginger cookies that my mom made the whole time I was growing up. Actually, she learned the recipe from my dad's mom, so from their great-grandmother. And so how do we start? What goes in it first?
First we take the sugar, the egg, and the butter.
That's right. Well, that's why they're good. So the next step is we start adding the honey, some of the spices, the orange peel.
Smells good. Orange.
Go ahead and put all that orange peel in there. We're going to add honey and a little bit of water. I like using dark honey. And here we got some great Altai honey that we got down at the Cook Bazaar. So next we'll take all the dry ingredients like the flour and the spices and we'll mix them together first and then we'll add them into the batter. So we start with the flour. Cinnamon, because it's not Christmas without cinnamon. And then ginger. We need powdered cloves. Then comes the fun part. Where I grew up in St. Louis, just to the east, there are lots of apple orchards. There's miles and miles of them, and starting in the fall, in October, there's all sorts of wonderful fresh apple juice available. Making hot apple cider is something that we always do. It's New Year's that we start adding all sorts of spices to it. Things like oranges and cinnamon and allspice and cloves. And then it really only takes about 5 minutes until it's ready. So when I was a kid, this was something my mom would make when I came back in from skating or something like that and playing in the snow. The way I make this, the way my family made it, we don't add any sugar to the apple juice. It's just fresh juice and with some spices and oranges, and that's the way I like it. Other people like to add other things, lots of sugar or maple syrup or spruce branches from a fir tree. But however you make it, the thing is to enjoy it. Cheers! Біздің отбасымыздың атынан келе жатқан жаңа жылмен құттықтаймыз.
С Новым годом!
Happy New Year!